time for school. Blue, red, green, orange, pink. Pink, green. Pink, green. Pink, green. It's Daddy Pig. Pink, blue. Pink, blue. Pink, blue. It's George Pig. Pink, orange. Pink, orange. Pink, orange. It's Mommy Pig. Pink, red. Pink, red. Pink, red. It's Peppa Pig. Red, pink, orange, blue, green. Bye-bye. It's Chase, Marshall, and Rocky. Chase. Chase is driving a blue car. He has on a blue hat and a blue shirt. Here's Marshall. Marshall's driving a red fire truck. Woo! He has on a red shirt and a red hat. And last but not least, it's Rocky. Hey, Rocky. Look at Rocky's green truck. It matches his green hat and his green shirt. I see something else green. It's a big green Play-Doh ice cream cone. Look at all of this green Play-Doh. And there's something hidden inside. Ooh, Toozies. Have you guys ever opened Toozies? On the inside, there's two little surprises. A baby and a little pet. But before we open it, let's make something with this green Play-Doh. This is a Play-Doh mold of a snake. And as you can see, it's green. But it's a different shade of green than our Play-Doh. This is a light shade of green, and this is a dark shade of green. Here is our dark green Play-Doh snake, and here is our light green Play-Doh mold. He turned out pretty cute. Here is a red Play-Doh ice cream cone, and this looks like soft serve ice cream, doesn't it? Let's see if we can pull this red Play-Doh off the cone. I bet there's something hiding inside. Oh, cool. Inside of this, we will find a Trolls keychain. I wonder which one we'll get. Before we open our Trolls blind box, I guess that's what we call it, a little capsule. Let's roll out our red Play-Doh and make something for Marshall. I have this red star cutter. It's like a special badge. What do you think about all of this blue Play-Doh ice cream? It's a really dark shade of blue, isn't it? Look at the difference. The inside of the cone is light blue. The Play-Doh is dark blue. Just like Chase. And look what was hidden inside. It's Paw Patrol Mash'ems. Should we open it up? Before we do, let's use this blue Play-Doh mold to make a blue fish. There you are, little fishy. Can you see his fish lips and his eye? Let's make him swim. Bloop, 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 bloop. We made a red star, a blue fish, and a green snake. Red, blue, green. And now we'll open our surprises. It would be funny if we got a snake, right? Since we made a little Play-Doh snake. Wow, there are a lot of different babies and animals that we can get. Look at all of those. Here we go. Cute. Our little baby is wearing a purple diaper and has a purple mask on of what looks like a cat. It's Millie Mittens right here. Okay, let's open our second bag. It's something yellow and it's really little. What do you think it is? Let's see if we can find it. Is it a leopard? I think it is. I think it's Lippy. That's really cute. So we got something yellow and something with a lot of purple. Next, our Trolls capsule. Whoa, this is big. Look at that, guys. Isn't that cool? This time we have a character that is blue and purple. Blue and purple. Holding something that is bright yellow. Who is this? Do you guys remember his name? It's Biggie. Last surprise. A Paw Patrol Mash'ems. Who will we get? It's Zuma! Hello, Zuma! Do you guys know what color Zuma is? Zuma has brown fur, and everything Zuma is wearing is orange. Orange Zuma blue Chase, red Marshall, green Rocky. I'll see you guys soon. Bye-bye.